Twitter has 192 million daily active users. 500 million tweets are sent out every single day. 63% of Twitter users worldwide falls in the range of 30 to 65 years of age, which mostly comprises of decision makers. Hello friends, my name is Safdar and I'm a digital marketer by profession. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to generate quality organic leads and build brand awareness on Twitter. So guys, if you are new into the digital marketing field, this is the video for you. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. With 192 million daily active users sending around 500 million tweets daily, this is the platform which you should never ignore for lead generation and building brand awareness. So guys, there are key steps which you must consider to generate quality organic lead on Twitter. Number one, improve your Twitter bio. Your profile bio is the first way to get more followers and improve visibility, which you can also use for the lead generation. The first thing people see when they check out you on Twitter is your bio. So write your Twitter bio in a clear and concise manner. Mention your product or services and link to your lead magnet or email newsletter or a specific landing page of your product or services. Number two, add text to your header image. When people visit to your Twitter profile, the first thing that draw attention is huge header image at the top. That's why it is a great place to add some more information about your services and product. Build brand image, gain followers and generate leads and inquiries. Number three, know your audience. When using Twitter for lead generation, it is important to understand your audience. That's because when you know your audience, you will be able to market them more effectively. And it's quite easy to find this information with the Twitter analytics. With the help of Twitter analytics, you will be able to find what languages your audience speaks, age group, gender, location, interest, type of purchase, and much more. Number four, write relevant tweet. One of the best practices when using Twitter for lead generation is to write meaningful business related tweets. This could be in form of a status update, images, links, videos, etc. and link them to a specific landing page of the website so that you generate more quality leads. Number fifth, use a relevant hashtag. Find out some of the best hashtags of your industry and don't forget to mention them in your tweets so that you drive more traffic to your tweet and build a strong brand presence. Number six, go live on Twitter. 80% of social audiences prefer watching live video from brands. So if you want to take your business to the mass audience, consider going live or posting videos to generate even more leads. Number seven, segment your audience with list. Segment your Twitter audience into smaller groups so that you can interact with them in a close group and build a strong relationship. And when you build a strong relationship with your target audience, you generate more quality leads. Number eight, provide robust customer service. Whether you are in a service industry or travel or you are offering product for sales, don't ignore the power of customer service to improve lead generation. Because when you provide a good customer service, you generate quality leads. Number nine, pin your tweets. The best way to get more visibility for your content is pin a meaningful tweet to your Twitter profile. So that becomes the first thing when people see your profile and know more about your business. Number 10, run poll and contest. The best way to improve Twitter lead generation is to use online contest and raise brand awareness. Some of the best example of Twitter contest includes asking user to tweet images with particular hashtag, running a caption contest, asking a question that your followers can answer. Number 11, monitor conversations. Always monitor conversations that are happening around your business and try to understand your audience sentiment. Reply, engage, and build a good relation so that you generate more quality leads and build a strong brand image. So guys, this was all about generating quality leads and building brand awareness on Twitter. We'll see you in the next video with some other interesting topic. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe.